A little history about the screensaver. Back in the early days of personal computers, it used to be that when you left your computer on and your monitor here, that over a period of time it would actually take every image that you see here and burn it right into the pixels there. It would be like looking at the sun too long and all you see is a bunch of blank spots. Well, if you left it on too long here and you moved one of your images out of the way, it would be burned in so bad here it would look like you had two folders and you couldn't tell which one. It ruined the monitor. So they came up with screensaver. So if your computer was idle for more than, let's say, 20 or 30 minutes, a lot of moving images would come in and out to prevent any one image staying static too long in one place until you came back and started working on your computer again. Well, now with new monitors, we don't have to worry about that anymore. We can leave our monitors and computers on for long periods of time. So now the main use of the screensaver is to prevent other people from viewing your screen while you're away or while it's idle. You can actually even lock it. So if you're going to go to lunch, you can set your screensaver to be able to lock after 5 minutes, so you don't have to worry about it if you go beyond your 5-minute lunch, if it is 5 minutes. But a better rule of thumb is to lock it if you leave your work area at all, unless, of course, you want to leave it on, in which case, have a default backup that'll go ahead and lock your screen, so you don't have to worry about it if you're gone longer than, let's say, a half hour. In any case, to set up your screensaver, just find a blank area somewhere on your desktop and give it a right click. Go down and click on Personalize, and then down in the lower right hand corner you got Screensaver, and you can see that I have a red circle with a line through it, which means I don't have it set up right now. Go ahead and click on it. Opens up a window, and all I have to do is come up here and change it from none. Well, I don't get many choices. You can do 3D text and it gives you a little preview. Yay, there's my name. I'll be honest, I was messing around with it earlier on. So if you want your text there, or your name in lights, go ahead and select 3D text, come over here and click on Settings, and then type in your custom text. You can make the resolution high or low, the size large or small. Choose the font if you want Arial, Times New Roman. Do you want the rotation to wobble back and forth like you're kind of sick? Do you want the rotation to be fast? I mean, you've got all these different options here. When you're finished, go ahead and click Okie dokie, and then click on Preview, and there's my screensaver. Now nobody can see my desktop here, and my name's going off onto my second monitor, but all anybody has to do is just move the mouse and they can go ahead and have access to my computer, unless I come down here and check this box and say on resume, display the login screen. What that means is that when I go into preview mode here, or I'm away from my computer for 5 minutes and it's not active, I'm not moving my mouse for 5 minutes, then what it does is it comes up here in this screensaver mode, bounces my name around. Then if I or somebody else comes up and moves the mouse really quick, I get the login screen, which is nice for me because I got the password where nobody else does, where nobody else should have my password, so they can't get access to my desktop here, okay? And you can set the time, of course, to whatever you'd like. In any case, I'm fine with it being none, and I lock my computer when I leave anyways, so no worries about that. It's out of habit. And then click OK. And if you set it for 5 minutes, go ahead and wait 5 minutes. Don't touch your computer, and it will go ahead and start your screensaver. Thanks for watching. Hey, as a quick reminder, if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. You can also click on me and subscribe to my channel, get notified of the latest videos, and for only $2 a month, you can have access to all my Microsoft Office training videos.